And welcome to Delver's Honest RC. Today I'm going to be going over a set of tires that I purchased on Amazon. I got these for the MN99-S. I'm going to get that right one of these days. And the WPL Toys C24-1. So, this one is unopened right out of the package as it came from Amazon. This one I've already reviewed for Amazon. So, as you can see, I paid about $22 in 2022 for this set. So, we're going to open it up. It's a 6 tire set. And in the description, both sets, two different vendors, but both sets said that they fit the WPL Toys C24 series. And they do not fit the C series. Look at that. Didn't quite make it through the post office with a bead on it. So the tires definitely need to be glued. This is what you're going to get. You're going to get your 6 tires. You're going to get a dually axle mount. Another dually axle mount. And they have the screws to go with it. Then you get your front hub. We're going to have a review of another set with just the 4. And the 4 comes with just this hub. This hub will fit on the front and the back of the C24, but this one will not. You can put it on, you can run a tire, an outrunner, find one of these that's mounted here. You can put it as an outrunner like this, extend your axle out so you have off shift. You've got a wheel width between the front tire and the back tire, so your tires end up being offset like so. So you got this tire here hanging way out in the back when your truck's moving. You're going to have a hard time with that. Even with 4-wheel steering, you'd have a time with it. However, if you swap them and you put this guy on the back and you put this guy on the front with your inverted tire, it looks like your truck's running backwards, but you don't have that offset. Your tires are lined up. So, you know, when they said it would fit the C24, the shocks get in the way. That's the only difference between the C series and the B series. Want to know some education about WPL toys? If you buy a B series, which is their military trucks and so forth, them big 6-wheelers and the diesels and the military missile launchers and all that, 2-speed transmissions, ooh, right? All right, guys, let's be serious. Those are a B series chassis. That B series chassis has one critical difference between your crawler chassis, your C series chassis, and your B series chassis, and that is leaf springs. No shocks. Guess what, folks? Leaf springs hang up underneath the frame. So when you go to put this guy as a smush dually, you notice there's no space. You gotta squeeze them together. That's like a millimeter, 2 millimeters. I even tried putting a screw on the red ones and I couldn't get that dually space. And because it's so deep, it doesn't offset out enough. The shock gets in the way before you can mount the tire. If you mounted it, your shock would be like that. That's your dually on a C series with this kit. So the kit has a serious flaw. As for the parts, seem to be quality parts. I mean, can't help the postman squishing the package when it's all squishy. Probably thought it was an adult toy or something. Who knows? Who really cares? So I got another set coming. We're gonna get 4 black tires, and we're gonna get 4 of these. So I'm gonna have one car that's gonna be off. I'm gonna have a red and black set that's gonna be a mixed match. Probably gonna go on that MN99-S because it's like, yeah, that was not worth the money. They really need to do something about that transmission. It was garbage. eBay special, can't do anything about it, can't send it back. So, but you know what you're getting on this? They come in red, black, and silver. At least that's the only colors I could find. I'd sure like to find a purple or gold set. But we'll work on that. Maybe these guys listen. Who knows? This is what you're getting, guys. I know it's cheap. I know it's really tempting to buy it. If you got a C-Series chassis, do not. You're going to put it on your truck, rock and roll, dude. They even make the eight tire series, I think that is, where you got the double back end dually. Yeah, they make one of those kits too, and it was under $30. It seems like the more tires you buy, the cheaper it gets. Anyway, guys, I'm going to wrap this one up for the day. We're going to move on to the next one since I seem to have gotten a couple of packages lately. So you all have a good day, and I hope to see you in the next video. Catch you on the backside. Cheers.